Hello everyone, especially my beloved class. How are you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I would like to say something with you that I'm so glad to see you here and I'm so happy to see you here because we will discuss more about how the academic reading deliver to the academic presentation. Hopefully, today you will get some advantage or some value for your idea, especially how you make the academic presentation more fun. Okay, for the first slide, I would like to what we call introduce you. What is the academic presentation? Okay, academic presentation, what we call refers to a formal talk in the lecture process or discuss about a student. An example, if you talk about the scientific, and the scientific is about related to your study and you make the conversation about this issue, this is including the academic presentation. Academic presentation, something refers to the formal talk that given by scholar and then student, researcher, lecturer, or the professionalism. And the next, you have to know where is the academic presentation conducting. Okay, academic presentation will do um, commonly in the special setting or special occasion or a special event like a symposium, seminar, workshop, and something discussed in your class, including the presentation of the academic area. And then you have to know what the purpose of academic presentation, what the objective of the academic presentation. Okay. Primary, the academic presentation aim to present or aim to present something about result study or of finding results and frame or change the academic information related to the study. For example, if you make some discuss in the hall and discuss invite from the another faculty in the your study and you will talk about the topic that related with this communication of in this presentation. This is about the academic presentation. So don't worry about the objective of academic presentation. If you get the idea and you present to another person, this is about your idea in the academic presentation. So, what we call before you make the good presentation, you have to know how the tips, how the strategy or main key of the academic presentation. Okay, let me see and let me tell you some main key in order your presentation going well. First, content. Yes, academic presentation typically focus on the presenting original research. This is mean something that have the good issue in knowledge, and the content will give you more the information. The good content will deliver you to write your idea, bring the good conversation, bring the good presentation, and particularly the content including the literature reviews, and then you have to fill the theoretical framework in your paper before you go to the academic presentation. Number two, don't forget to structure. Okay, why structure is important for your academic presentation? Because by the good structure, This is will guide your idea to say something, to give the opinion for the another people, and the structure including the introduction, and then your presentation have the outline, and your presentation have the objective, something that you want to share with your friend, and have the mind body including the data and the example including. So with the good structure, you will have the good idea because structure will guide your idea to say something more. Don't forget to use the visual aids. Okay, visual aids is something that make the people more interesting that you have a good presenter in this presentation. For example, if you have the good diagram and graphs and chart, and you combine the good color in your presentation material, this will make the audience more attention, more interest to follow, see, and give the feedback of the your presentation. And the important one is engage your friend, engage your audio, engage your audience, engage your participant to say something. Maybe to engage the people interest to your presentation, you have to interact to your audience, ask them to ask something, or give them the question, give them the opinion that um, the opinion is good and will give something important for your audience. If your audience active with you, maybe the presentation will be good. And don't forget to do professional. Okay, the to do professionalism including you have to know the subject, and then you have to know what kind of topic that will you share, and how you engage, and how you set, or what we call, how you describe the material to your brand, to your audience. It's really good for all of you. And then uh, for the proof that your presentation come from the good issue, come from the valid information, you have to do the citation. The citation it proves that your academic presentation valid and from the good information also. Well, okay, audience, I would like to continue my presentation about the academic presentation. Okay, sometimes all of you in your class always say something or always ask how to be a good presenter in the presenting in order your presentation to be good because you have the good presenter. Okay, first know your audience. Okay, if you know your audience, you will bring the audience more uh, understand about the main of your topic. For example, um, if your audience children, so you will say something or write your opinion or describe your material as the children in order the children understand what did you want, what did you talk, and what your opinion about the topic. Okay, and the second how to be a good presenter is prepare thoroughly. Okay, prepare is something invest time in preparing your presentation. including research your topic, organize your content, and usually uh, you have the good presentation like the color, font, the shape of your presentation, and something in your presentation will make the audience interest for you. So don't forget to prepare everything in your presentation. Don't forget to number three, start strong. Start strong, it means the good confidence will the good of the presentation. For the first time, attention for your eyes and um, attention for your talking about and attention for your opinion and to be the someone that look deliver something self-confident in front of the another people. Okay, don't forget the efficacy or the self motivation. It's mean important to ground your confidence. Don't forget to confident before you be the presenter. And then don't forget to organize your content as well. I have mentioned before that the organize your content will help you to guide your idea. Your presentation have the introduction, have the objective, have the method, and have the reason why you do that, why you say this, why you do something like this. And number five, this is about the IT, right? About the the information of technology using the media, especially visual aids for your presentation. I just give you suggest. Try to make the nice presentation, good presentation, or your presentation with the good color, with the good shape, with the good diagram, with the good graphs, with the good shape, and with the good card or something in your presentation, making good, making offer good, better and better. It's will help the people to interest with your presentation. And don't forget to uh, speak clearly. Okay, don't to rush. Maybe you have to what we call manage your emotion when you said something, especially using English. And you have to struggle and you have to make the audience understand what did you say. Okay, how to make the audience understand what did you say? Number seven will answer this question, especially engage your audience. Give them the time to ask something. Give them the opportunity to give the opinion or ask something that they need, especially related with the issue in your presentation. Okay, and then don't forget to be authentic. To be authentic, it means that the your presentation is the attractive one. Authentic is mean that you have something different with not the same with the another presenter. And your presentation have something value, have something benefit for the people. And this will help you to ground and make your presentation to be interest for another people. And don't forget, for number nine, this is the tips how to be a good presenter and practice active listening. Okay, it means that if the audience asks something with you, let them to give the opinion or give the main idea or give something including advice or suggestion for your presenter or your presentation. It will help you to give the feedback for the people. That's why if you be the good presenter, you have to be the good listener. Okay, everyone. Thank you for joining in this class, especially in this online class related our subject about the English advanced. And today I have finished to give you information about the how the academic presentation and how the academic presentation delivering you to be a good presenter. I'm Anas. Thank you so much for all of you. Okay, bye bye.